Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily record your screen on your iPhone on iOS 14. So just swipe up and here you will see this icon, so just type on this icon. Here you can see time that last, and here you can see that also now we actually stored recording. So now after you just take it off, you can see that now it's recording our screen. So everything you do now, it will record. And if you want to stop it, just tap here, and here you will see screen recording, stop screen recording. Just tap on stop, and now it's successfully saved to your photos. This screen recording you also do. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.